So I want to continue my discussion here on fuel lines. And I just bought a couple of different pieces of line here. And let's open them up and see what I got. So this is small engine fuel line, 3mm by 6mm outer diameter used on Echo and others. Quantity shipped 2. Okay. So I think this is like Echo aftermarket line. And this black rubber gas line. I believe this is actually genuine Echo line. 90015 is the part number. So in millimeters, I think it's actually slightly, the genuine Echo line is slightly bigger than 6mm, 6.2mm. Let's check this stuff. That's right on 6. Let's check the Husqvarna stuff. How about some OEM Husqvarna line? Yeah. .28 millimeters. 5.54. So I think the spec on this is like 5.4 or something like that. Yeah, close enough. So this is smaller indeed. This stuff is genuinely bigger. Actually, what is this in inches? So not quite 1/4 of an inch. And this is slightly smaller stuff. 240 ish. Maybe a little smaller. 230, 240. Okay. So the issue with the Husqvarna stuff is that when you put it in a, say, a 350 chassis, it goes in and it seals. So can I get either of these to even go in? A little grease on that. Wow, that stuff actually does go through. It's hard to pull, and it's kind of firm feeling. It's not really supple feeling, but it goes in. It's darn hard getting out. So the aftermarket line does seem to go. Leroy's Outdoor Power Parts. Small engine fuel line, 3mm by 6mm OD, used on Echo and others. Part number 13370R. And you buy them in 3-foot sections or something like that. So it looks like that might actually fit. Now I was kind of hoping this stuff would fit, but it looks to be bigger in diameter, so I'm prepared to be disappointed. This stuff, the actual Echo stuff, seems to be more supple. It just feels better to me. Again, I really don't feel like, I mean, I can always drill out the hole here, but I really don't feel like doing that if I don't have to. If I was going to drill out the hole, I might as well use Tygon. Wow, that actually pulls smoother, even though it's bigger. And it comes out smoother too. So far I like the Genuine Echo line. Again, part number 90015. So here's the slip. IRA 114 is the seller, and this is part number 90015. 3x6 millimeter fuel line. I believe this is Genuine Echo line. That was my assumption when I bought it. That was basically what it was sold to me as. So if I find anything else out other than that, I will let you know. So far I like this. I'm going to actually try it in a saw before I commit to it, but I really, really, really don't like buying fuel lined in the curlicues. This gets expensive after a while, and I should be able to buy this in a long thing, but they don't sell it. So maybe Echo line it is from now on. So what I did find out also is that for all intents and purposes, Tygon is really only available in outer diameter of either 3/16 or 1/4 inch. So 1/4 inch is just simply too big to stick in there without opening the hole. And 3/16 is outer diameter is too small in order to seal. So right now, the only alternative that I think I'm going to like is this stuff, the Genuine Echo stuff. This other stuff seems kind of stiff to me. I'll use it, but I'll use it up and continue with the Echo stuff. I think I'd like to probably get a 25-foot roll of this just to make sure I have a bunch on hand, and that way I don't need to worry about, gee, do I have an extra curlicue hanging around or not. So, hope you guys like this little update. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.